Hello everyone, this is Sam Learning and welcome back to another video. Today our video topic is ChatGPT Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Today we are going to cover these two topics: how should they be implemented in your business and what features should they include. ChatGPT is a variant of GPT language model that was designed for generating text in a conversational style. GPT was developed by OpenAI that uses deep learning techniques to generate natural sounding text. It is trained on a large dataset of human generated text that can generate text which is similar to human written text in style and content. ChatGPT is a version of GPT which focus on generating text that is conversational and responsive to users' input. It can be used in wide range of chatbot applications, including customer service chatbots, virtual assistants,